Have you ever felt in limbo about a decision you had to make, but you had no idea if it was going to work out in your favor? In Ruth 1, we find Ruth, a widowed Moabite, who was presented with the opportunity to go back to her old life, but out of the love and loyalty, she chose to stay with her widowed mother-in-law Naomi. Ruth 1:16 says, "But Ruth said, Entreat me not to leave you or turn back from following after you. For wherever you go, I will go, and wherever you lodge, I will lodge. Your people shall be my people, and your God my God." Now, I know this is a story that we're all familiar with, but what stood out for me the most is that Ruth was willing to go without any expectation of promises. Yes, I know the bigger picture is about her loyalty to Ruth and being rewarded in the genealogy of King David and Christ, okay? I got that. But do you also hear what I'm saying? She did all of this and so much more without expectation of receiving anything back. Like, this just makes me want to hide in my closet somewhere, right? Because as a child of God, a joint heir, an ambassador for Christ, I have so many promises spoken over my life for God. I already know that God's word will accomplish all that it sets out to do. And yet, here I am on certain days where I'm not willing to do anything, right? I'm just willing to sit here in my comfort and uncertainty. I mean, Ruth didn't even know if the place where she was going, if the people even liked her, okay? I don't know about you, but I know I just have to do better. As a believer, I just have to believe that I can venture out, take the risk, and trust God to move and do what He needs to do in my life so that I can continue to try my very best to walk in obedience to His plans and His purpose that He has for my life. Anyway, I will see you next time for another 1 Minute on Purpose.